So I'm gonna have you lean back onto me and then bring your elbows together.
Oh yeah.
There we go.
Big breath in and blow it out. Now we're going to do one. Oh!
Wow, how's that even possible? I don't get it.
I'm
Like
sure
you,
you're like shaking.
no, my legs are shaking.
Here, come down here. And I'm going to stand behind you and I'm going to do this one next. So we're still on entrees. We're not doing appetizers.
Okay.
So let this collapse.
Oh!
Here, turn your face this way. Here, and put your head up.
Wow.
Hand right here like this. Here,
You're doing this on purpose.
okay, that's your job.
Why
okay?
you doing this to me?
Just you do that, okay?
Relax.
Oh man, I like how it's just like just stretching my
All right,
lower
ready?
back.
Big breath in. And blow it out.
Oh!
You still have something down here, okay?
Yeah,
So we're
I
going to
feel
adjust that next.
Wow.
Oh!
You okay?
6. Here, look over at her in case she wants to tell you something.
Oh!
Little one. And another little one. Okay, so lie on your side facing me.
Wow.
So we're going to do this spot. Nice underwear. Look at his underwear.
Oh.
Good. Nice. But that's something my mother would say. So we're going to do this spot here.
Oh! Oh!
Good. And lie on your back. Okay. Oh, that one
that
popped.
I heard that one. That's
That one popped.
Yeah. So let's do this. Come stand up and move around, see how you feel. You can stand right where you are here.
Mm-hmm.
Roll your shoulders a few times.
Wow.
Oh. Oh.
Got it. You have one here.
Oh my God. Wait.
You want to
The
do
neck
it?
gets me so nervous. I don't know why. Like.
So it's up to you. You're here to do what you want. Do you see it on the camera? So I'm going to tilt.
Oh.
No, I didn't get it. I have to switch.
Ooh.
Got it.
You got it.
Teeth.
Ooh.
Oh my
I
God.
heard that one.
Those are loud.
Oh. Damn it.
Go a little lower.
Oh.
They just get louder and louder.
I know.
In here.
Oh.
And got that lower back. So that lower back's been stuck for a while. And you're gonna so here's one more. Ready?
Oh.
Good.
Fuck.
So that moved actually very well. We got a lot of good movement. That. We're gonna drop a little bit lower and barely a little bit, just a tiny movement with this side. I'm gonna have you take a deep breath in and then exhale all the way out. Good. I'm gonna do that one more time for you. Deep breath in and let it out. Good. Okay. So as you can tell now, her leg length, and I'm pushing in on both sides very, a little much, but yeah, as you can tell, that little bit already helped quite a bit with balancing out her leg length here. But what we're gonna do, we're gonna focus on the left SI joint as what she was feeling. Just like that, perfect. And you already like moved right when I set you up. All right.
Oh,
yeah. Good. Yeah, she moved very easily with that. All right, I'm gonna have you lay flat on your back for me. So let's go ahead and check and make sure everything else is balanced. So now, as you can tell, so let's see, push in. So it's a little, I mean, when I mean a smidgen. Any issues with the feet, ankles, anything like that? Okay. So I know you felt that ankle release. Okay, we're gonna do this ankle now. Okay. Come on up. And I'm gonna have you come this way. Yep, face that way though.
And then I'll go.
Yep. So I'm gonna have you lean back onto me and then bring your elbows together.
Oh, yeah.
There we go. So what I'm gonna be
You need
doing.
me to take these out?
No,
Okay.
you're good. What I'm gonna be doing, I'm just gonna do a little rotation.
Okay.
And I'm literally feeling her spinous process is a certain point on the vertebra. It's the very point, like in the middle at the end. What I'm feeling is I'm feeling how the vertebrae are moving, feeling if it's gliding, if it's sticking. There we go. Yeah, that moved really well. Okay, and I'm gonna come around this side. Let's just make sure we're good here. Good. Okay.
Oh, yeah. That's crazy how much you can hear it when it's like done over.
Take a deep breath in and out. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. Okay. Bring that arm up. Bring the other arm up. Good. You can relax your arms. Good. And then I'm gonna have you flip to the other side. Good. And then I'll have you lay on your back. Here, I want to do those leg pulls, so I just want you to relax one leg at a time here. Relax, relax. Good. Lean back. Squeeze your elbows together. Good. Perfect. And I'll have you take a seat right here. Okay. Take a deep breath out and out. Already cleared there. Perfect, and then you can relax right there. Deep breath in and out. What did you feel?